I am Dana Malcolm. Rashid Hassan is here with me. Tonight we have your evening edition of Top Stories for February 2nd, 2024. Coming up, the news that matters most.
There's only one place in Providenciales where you can really feel your duty-free savings, and that's at Sam's Club on Leeward Highway. Duty-free bread basket items on top of Sam's Club already low prices? If you're not shopping at Sam's Club, you're paying too much.
Less than 48 hours after it was lifted, another gun incident has forced the Cheshire Medical Center to reinstitute its heightened security protocol. It means visitation is now suspended at the hospital until further notice, and only in serious cases of emergencies can you visit the emergency department. However, surgical and routine outpatient clinics, x-rays, and lab services remain open. The restriction only applies to the inpatient unit. It follows a shooting that left 2 men dead on Thursday evening and resulted in injuries to several others. Police have not yet issued any new updates on that incident. There was not even standing room for the memorial service of Pastor Wayde Coleby, who died suddenly on Sunday, January 14th. A beloved pastor who moved to the Turks and Caicos from the Bahamas and grew an effective gospel ministry that breached borders and raised up leaders due to its heavy thrust on evangelism. So many people came, some directly from the airport still carrying luggage. Many flew in from the Bahamas and packed the church. Residents of the TCI also flocked to the service, which was a singspiration to mourn the loss of Reverend Coleby ahead of his funeral, which was today at 1 p.m. Among those dignitaries at the service last night, former Premier Charlene Robinson and current Premier Washington Mizik. It was expected that today, once again, the venue, Abundant Life Ministries International, would be packed with those who knew and loved Pastor Coleby from all walks of life and from nations near and far. Included in that number was Prime Minister of the Bahamas, Philip Brave Davis, who turned up for the funeral in support of his cabinet minister, JoBeth Colby Davis, the daughter of Pastor Wayde Coleby. Magnetic Media is your news leader. Still to come is Rashid Hassan. He has stories from around the region.
You hear that? That's unlimited WhatsApp and Facebook with Flow's new unlimited prepaid plans. Flow is giving you exclusive data to post, like, and share all you want on Facebook and talk. Message or video call all your faves on WhatsApp. Have endless fun when you activate Flow's hot new 30-day plan for just $40 a month and unlock unlimited social media messaging, unlimited Facebook, unlimited WhatsApp, unlimited possibilities. Dial star 129# to activate today. Conditions apply.
It's now time for your regional top stories. I'm Rashid Hassan. A 500% increase in fuel prices for Cuba effective February 1st was recently announced by the government. However, reports inform there has been a delay due to a cybersecurity incident in computers for the marketing of fuels, identified as a virus from abroad, according to the Ministry of Economy. A new date for the increase is yet to be announced. The cost of a liter of regular gasoline is to rise from 25 pesos to 132 pesos, or $167, while the price of premium gasoline will jump from 30 to 156 pesos, or $198. This comes as the country is faced with a growing economic crisis. Kenya is still going ahead with its plans to lead the multinational force to Haiti, according to President William Ruto. He mentions the court's decision, which was that Kenya lacked the authority to send police officers outside the country for peacekeeping missions, but could indeed deploy military. Additionally, Ruto, speaking on Tuesday, January 30th, explained that the court informed there has to be an agreement between Haiti and Kenya before they can deploy officers, and given that both countries already have bilateral relations, the rest is easy.
All that needs to be done now is for Haiti to make a request to Kenya, and the mission will go ahead. So that mission can go ahead as soon as next week if all the paperwork is done.
Magnetic Media is your news leader.
The National Health Insurance Plan has over 37,000 contributors.
That's 37,000 of us working together to take care of one another.
Your contribution ensures my wife and unborn child gets the prenatal care they deserve.
Your contribution helps me to afford my medication.
Your contribution has helped my loved one receive treatment during their untimely emergency.
Your contribution gives my family peace of mind. So thank you.
for your contribution.
This message has been brought to you by the National Health Insurance Board, building a healthy nation, one person at a time.
The students at the Turks and Caicos Islands Community College will soon have the opportunity to study in Canada for a semester. That is according to Candace Williams, president of TCICC.
We've established partnerships with the College of the Rockies, Nova Scotia Community College, New Brunswick Community College to support faculty mobility and student exchange programs.
Williams was speaking at a January 30th press conference regarding updates for the institution. Her recent tour of 9 Canadian institutions was funded by Global Affairs Canada. That is it for this edition of the news, but remember, lots more details on our website and in our Magnate. Check out both. I'm Dana Malcolm. Thank you for joining us.